Hi guys, so today I want to introduce ourselves to you because we have the first video of PingMyNetwork YouTube channel. So in this first video, I want you to understand the PingMyNetwork platform and also why you should try PingMyNetwork because it addresses a big issue on the networking market, which is the CCNA. The CCNA is boring. We all know this. I have passed my CCNA. Dorian have passed his CCNA, and many platforms don't want to bring a good experience. So together we have built a website that we wish we had back in the day when we study the CCNA. So the objective of this first video is not to speak well and explain everything. It's just to show you the main features and why you should use PingMyNetwork.
Okay, so let's enter the platform. Here is your dashboard. When you sign up on PingMyNetwork, you can see your current progress on the CCNA certification, the next course, and many other features. We have streaks, level with XP, and your activity. So let's enter the first lesson. Start networking. The lesson, you can see your current progress on the lesson, read the text, and switch chapters. But you can also enter the switch. Let's go! So, here is the instruction you have to type. So, this is the second lesson. The instructions are pretty easy. Enable, configure terminal, hostname, hostname, my switch, and let's go.
Brief.
And you also have task at the end of the lesson. So which command is used to rename a switch? A Cisco device, hostname. Exactly.
Hostname.
I don't know how to type hostname. Let's go. Leçon complète. Bon, I will share it on LinkedIn. It's mandatory to progress in the CCNA. Let's go. On va pas liker. 2 days strict. Let's go.
It's very awesome. I want to show you something we have in the platform. As you can have experience a platform like TryHackMe or Hack the Box, we have a ranking section. Every user on the platform has XP and can grind the ranking ladder. As you can see, me, Elvin, I am the 7 on the ranking, so it's really nice because you can see your progress and see everyone that is learning along with you. So here on the dashboard, after you finish a lesson, you can see which lesson you need to take after, and it's pretty much everything that you need. You need one place to practice and learn. So you have the lesson, and also you can have multiple questions on the website to test your readiness. So that's it, I think. No?
Can you show me the CCNA study plan?
The CCNA study plan. So the CCNA study plan is available here in the Learn section. So here you have Learn, Networks. You can choose the certification you want. So in this case, it's CCNA. So here you clicked, and inside you have every section with topic bit size, which means it's a little course to focus a specific topic, and you can go through all section to find what you want. So there are a lot of sections, but it's perfect because you don't want to learn everything at once. You want to learn one thing at a time. So yes.
Okay. Thank you.
Bye. You're welcome. So I hope you have enjoyed this first video. It was pretty hard for us to record, but we will make sure to make more videos like this. Bye bye.
Bye.